Those are the pants you bought a few weeks ago, a week ago.
Yeah, these are winter ones.
Yeah, because Nanny Shetty, Uncle Eric wanted to see them. I hear Shannon Flowers. But it's a big black man. That's not that low.
My treat today. Thank you. What? I don't think it's a
Malton, and I'm here to introduce a movie people just love. But they err in calling it White Christmas. The full and proper title is Irving Berlin's White Christmas. That was the kind of clout this Russian-born songwriter wielded in Hollywood. After all, he had his first hit in 1911 with Alexander's Ragtime Band, and he gave us such anthems as Easter Parade and God Bless America. When popular composer Jerome Kern was asked what place Berlin had in American music, he responded, "Irving Berlin has no place in American music. Irving Berlin is American music." He originally wrote the title song for a 1942 movie called Holiday Inn. Excuse me, I should say Irving Berlin's Holiday Inn. He immodestly insisted on that possessory credit on every one of the Hollywood musicals for which he provided the songs. Director Michael Curtiz had to be content with his usual screen credit. By the 1950s, Bing Crosby was a beloved American institution, as well as an Oscar-winning star of radio, television, and movies. He introduced the song White Christmas in 1942, and his recording of it remains the best-selling single of all time. But the hope of re-teaming him with Fred Astaire evaporated when Astaire read the script, which left a lot to be desired. It isn't easy to contrive a feature-length film around one song, no matter how good it may be. Donald O'Connor, who had worked with Crosby as a boy, was signed to co-star, which would have been fun. He was still riding high for his performance in Singin' in the Rain. But he fell ill, and at the last moment, the inimitable Danny Kaye was recruited for a hefty salary and co-ownership of the picture. Rosemary Clooney, the loving aunt of George Clooney, had a limited screen career, but already was recognized as one of the best singers of popular music to emerge from the big band era. She and Bing continued to work together for the rest of their lives. Dancer Vera Ellen, playing her sister, had proved her skills co-starring with both Fred Astaire and Gene Kelly at MGM. Paramount Pictures spared no expense in making this lavish production. It was the first movie shot in VistaVision, which the studio dubbed Motion Picture High Fidelity. And that wasn't hyperbole. Special cameras were used to expose the film, which passed through the shutter horizontally instead of vertically. The frame size was equivalent to modern-day IMAX. And the larger the frame size, the clearer and brighter the image. That's why the movie looks especially good today on any size screen. The bigger the better. I've been known to express my lack of enthusiasm for this movie in the past, but I must surrender now to the popular vote. This all-star Technicolor musical has been a crowd pleaser for 70 years. You just can't argue with that. So on behalf of Paramount Pictures and Fathom Events, here is the gift that keeps on giving, Irving Berlin's White Christmas.